plus one skill that I'm gonna tell you in the last is the most important one that everybody needs to learn it. To become a rich person, you should learn last one. So watch this video until the end. Skill number one. I know everybody's saying this, so I'm not gonna talk about it too much, but I have to say it. First skill is coding and programming. If you are passionate about computer and software, definitely coding is one of the best options for you. Coding is divided to two subsets: web and software developing, AI and machine learning. I don't want to talk about these skills too much because you can find all information about these skills out there on YouTube and internet. But learning different type of programming languages like Python, like Ruby, like React, like C++ can guarantee your future. So what if you don't like coding, or coding is quite hard for you, but you want to work on artificial intelligence industry, software industry, but you're not good at coding? Maybe even you don't like coding. This skill can save you. Prompting or prompt writing. Prompt writing is one of the brand new skills that emerged after AI appeared. By learning prompting, you can use all artificial intelligence tools. Prompter is like an operator for specific device. Like, yeah, all right, computer is very high tech thing, but you need someone to use that computer, or you need someone to be operator for that CNC device or PLC or other machines. So also artificial intelligence needs people to be operator for them, to know how to use them, how to order them. So prompt writing is very useful skill in 2025 and in the future. I have registered in a prompting online course and I'm currently learning. And after learning completely, I will create a video about how to write prompt, and I will teach you how to use this skill. Don't worry. So subscribe to my channel to don't miss out these videos. Actually, prompting is not only for coding, it's also useful for content creation, video creation, music, and too many other stuff. So, skill number two. Third skill is usually useful for the people that they want to build their own businesses and make strong pillars for their businesses. The third skill is sales and marketing, which have two other subsets like digital marketing and sales negotiation and normal marketing. Digital marketing has too many sub niches and subsets like social media marketing, like email marketing, like SMS marketing, like SEO, like SEM, like affiliate marketing. By becoming expert in every single of these skills, like every of them, like only affiliate marketing, or only social media marketing, or only Instagram marketing, they are very high demanded in the future and currently right now. You can build your future. Also in sales and offline marketing, branding, how to sell, negotiation, and stuff like this. Actually, in my opinion, I think everybody should learn these skills, because even if you don't want to start your business, you should learn these skills, I think. Because at least you should present yourself, your skills to the company. If you go and work for a company, you should be able to present yourself and sell yourself to the HR manager. So I think everybody needs this also. Plus the last one that I'm going to tell you. Next skill is kind of subset for coding, but I put it on as a fourth skill on purpose because it's a bit different than coding, because it's not only about coding. Yeah, of course you should know how to code for this skill, but also you should have some information about mathematical statistics and stuff like this. Next skill is data analyzing. What the heck is this? How you can earn money through this skill? But let me give you an example. In fact, now we are in the age of information, and everybody has more information, they are the winner. But the problem is this: there are too many information, and you should organize and interpret informations. Then you will be able to use them. You cannot just put all information in the bucket and you don't know, okay, what should I do with this information? Like, let me give you an example. Imagine you are a data analyzer in Meta. Your responsibility is this: to analyze that, for example, in California, which color is more favorite than the others. But how you can find it? Easy, by analyzing the people that they are living in that region. Like, for example, if too many people like or write a comment or watch the videos about white shoes, white clothes, or white cars, you will be able to understand white color is more popular than the other colors. So then you can sell this valuable data to shoes brands, to clothes brands, to car brands. What the heck they should do with this information? They will bring more white colors to California, and they will advertise more white colors and put in front of the people's sites in California. Actually, it's just an example. Or for example, Tesla will sell more white cars in California, or other companies also can sell their white color more than the other. This was just only one of the usage of this skill. And also you can search LinkedIn and Google on Indeed that what is the salary for these skills and how many people that they hire. And if you want, I can also make a video about it for you. Data analyzer. The fifth skill is, what am I doing right now? Content creation. Content creation is very vast skill. You can learn editing, which is very important. And with the coming of AI, it has become easier than before. Also, copywriting and ads writing is very useful skill these days. A copywriter with a good call to action can turn viewer to potential buyer or loyal client. Sometimes even effective copywriter is more than 1,000 professional seller, believe me. And copywriter can bring more value, more than 1,000 marketer or 1,000 people with only one sentence. Copywriting is very amazing skill that you can learn. Then you can also learn video production specifically for social media like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. There is no need to more explanation because all businesses are looking for some people to create content for their social media, because if your business doesn't have social media, unfortunately it will dead in 2025, 2026. Everybody are looking for these people that they can handle all these stuffs, editing, like video creation, like how to edit, how to writing scenario, like copywriting. If you can learn all these skills all at once together and packaging yourself with this skill, definitely more businesses are coming for you and they will pay you more. And the last one is most important skill that everybody should learn. Even if you learn all these skills, if you don't learn these skills that I'm gonna tell you right now, unfortunately, you will not become successful and rich, and you will struggle whole your life. And that skill is financial management and money management. To be honest, you can earn a lot of money through the skills that I told you. But if you can't keep your money, if you can't manage your money, invest your money, you will be bankrupt. Definitely you have seen too many soccer players, actors, or singers that they earn too much money during their prime. But then after that, because of lack of money management and financial management, after many years, they became bankrupt. And currently they're living in poverty, and some of them even die in this situation, unfortunately. So if you don't want to work until the very last day of your life, make sure to learn money management, money investment, how to work with your money, how to save your money in different kind of ways. So I will create a video about money management and financial management if you want. And also, I suggest you watch this video, why starting a business is a brilliant idea even if it fails. Make sure watch that video also, it's very useful. So thank you so much, and take a screenshot of these skills, then you can watch it later also.